Hi, I'm Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you the process of delivering and installing the world's best large format printer. That is the Swissq, the European champion for 7 years running. It is a fantastic machine, a beast of a machine. It's going to be really interesting because what we have today is that we've got to take this machine and bring it all the way to the top right there at the 4th floor. And we've got a whole team here ready to deploy this machine. We've got trucks, we've got forklifts, we've got this huge massive crane, and not to mention a whole lot of men who are going to be struggling to bring this thing on top because it's not easy, but we've done it before and we're going to do it again. So stick around in this video and see the entire process of installing the best large format printer in the market. Okay, so our GM has just arrived. He's the one who is in charge of this entire operation. He has sold this customer this beautiful machine. We're going to have a few quick words with him and ask him his thoughts of what's going to happen today. There we are. So I understand that you sold another Swissq machine.
Yeah!
How do you feel about it, man?
Superb!
Yeah.
All excited for today.
So,
and
yeah. So what's going to happen today actually?
okay, so basically what we're going to do is we're waiting for the machine and it's going to be hoisted to the 4th floor.
The 4th floor.
Right. And we're doing it a bit different this time. Last time we hacked it. This time we're going to go through the entry. And yep, that's how it's going to happen. So this is the team, this is the movers.
What's the model of the Swissq machine that we are
Okay, so today we're doing an Impala 4 and it basically has the full array of 18 heads with white, and it's a 2.5 meter by 2 meter because the customer already has a 3.2. Okay. And this shows the precision of and reliability of Swissq that within a year he has invested in another Swissq machine.
Wow. So why did he decide to invest in another Swissq machine?
Okay, basically, considering what he had before and after he had the first Swissq machine, he saw a complete change in the productivity. There was an exponential increase. He had to reduce his shifts and he could do a lot more verticals printing. He could do multiple layer printing, and the best of all, he could do lenticular 3D printing, which he was not able to do with his previous infrastructure.
Okay.
So, and he has a couple of very, very important clients. So this is why he decided that he needs another Swissq machine to keep up with the jobs.
Yeah. So Swissq is one of the best European machines.
Yeah, it's the #1 European machine for the past 7 years.
Wow.
And it has, as of today, it has about 1,800 machines in the world.
Wow, that's interesting. Okay, so let's wait for machine is not here yet, right?
Yeah, machine is not here. It should be here anytime soon.
All right, great. Thank you so much. So Tausig, have you installed a Swissq machine before?
Yes.
And how was that experience?
Awesome.
Awesome, very good, very good. He's a man of few words, but he's a very important man today and he's going to be installing the Swissqprint machine. Alright, so now the machine has arrived. Let's take a close look at this. Wow. Look at the size of this beast of a machine. That is where the Swissq machine is currently residing, and we're going to get it off this truck and get it ready for unboxing. Oh, we have liftoff. Now we got to make way for him to make the turn to get it into the position that it has to go into. Alright, so the first screws are being undone. The first part of this box is disassembled. Here we go. That's where the first... Wow, guys, check that out. Look at that. Okay, so here behind me we have unwrapped the Swissq machine, and you can take a look at it. It looks great. I mean, everything about this machine is built with such precision, with such care, and it's a marvel of technology that is right behind me. Okay, the things that this machine can do will change the way you print it will change the way you produce, it will change your workflow, it will reduce your cost, your time, and give your client something really wonderful to look at when it comes to the printouts when it's finally up and ready. So they have to get this done really quickly because we don't want it to be suspended more than it has to be. So that's why they're working so feverishly to attach the rollers onto the machine. Look at that, and that's our boss, Mr. Ali, who is brought the Swissq machine to Singapore. Because of him, Singapore now has the best large format printer in the market. So we've just got the arrival of the USC's HR, who's come to take a look at this. Alright, so now we've got it to go on the platform right behind me. As you can see, it's kind of tricky because it's not a lot of space. So they've got to position it just nicely for it to fit onto the platform, and then this platform is going to be hoisted to the 4th floor. Machine is going up! Alright, so let's give you a top view of what's happening below. Those are our clients over there. I've never seen clients so excited. They all are here outside over there in their office to look at the arrival of their new baby. Okay, so behind me, they are trying to get the machine onto the ground here, but it's a bit complicated because there is a bit of a bump that they have to overcome and then finally land the machine. So it's taking some time, but we've got to do this carefully. We're just a few millimeters away from that wall. He's guiding it slowly from his side, and we've got to make a turn now. So everyone is a bit on edge, as you can see. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Okay, now they're getting it off the platform. It has to be fit very nicely within those channels. You can see the wheels there. So we're almost to the ground now, and it's gonna touch down very soon. Alright, so they have got it. The machine is fully in the platform, and you can see the relief on everyone's faces. We have done the somewhat impossible. When dealing with a large machine like this, it's always a lot of elbow grease and a bit of luck sometimes. Kind of get it into position. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The machine is in its final condition. Can you give us an understanding of what is exactly happening here?
Okay, as you can see, the Impala has now in its final place. We will now be installing it next week, and you can see the whole team. It's a very big achievement for all of us.
Yeah. So what's going to happen now after this?
Okay, so basically what we're going to do today is we're just going to check all the accessories of the machine, and on Monday we are going to put in the inks, and then that's where all the whole installation will start. And our precision for the machine, our benchmark is 0.01 mm, which is what we will do for the alignment of the bed. Okay. This is our target.
Okay guys, so as you can see, the machine is now in its final position. We are going to get it ready for installation slowly but surely, and it's going to be perfect and great once we are all done with it.